theatre company, and we're making a show with a group of young people this week in Armley Mills.
It's been really nice to feel like welcome, and like if you mess up, you're not doing anything wrong. Everyone at Paperbirds is so like nice and welcoming, and it's like a family.
Everyone here is so nice, and I made friends quite quickly, and it helped me get out of the house more because I don't usually do that.
Welcome to Homes Under the Hammers. Today we're selling a 2-bedroom apartment in Leeds. Let's see who we've got.
The devising was based around the notion of home and belonging and worth and what it means to feel at home.
Home is the natural light, a warm fire.
Home is a safety and a happiness.
Home is not a place in particular.
Oh my God! What if I just try and fix my investments? Within a week, we've made a really good player. So I think with like focus, we focused really good, which made us become like a really good team and make a really good play out of it. I always thought making new friends would be really hard, but it actually wasn't. And I've also learned that with acting comes a lot of confidence.
It's only been a week and we've put such a half an hour show in a week, and it's been great.
I can't get my key in the door, I'm sorry. Well, this is a very old property.
If we're in school, we'd say, give ideas, and then someone would say, no, I don't want that one. But we've tried them all and seen which ones work and which don't, and that's really helped.
I found it really fun. At the beginning I was like really nervous, but then like towards the today I've made like loads of friends and I'm really happy, and I'm sad that it's over.
Diversity has got a lot better. Lots of nationalities are now living in England. But because of this, people think that racism has stopped. It hasn't, it's just more hidden. Judging innocent people just because where they were born or where they are from isn't right.
It's not only talking about homes and stuff, it's talking about racism, and then it even talks about the when the Ripper and everything was around and how women and equal rights and stuff, so I think it's good.
Crime against women is still prominent in this area, and it doesn't help me being brown. As I'm the first generation of immigrants born here, my parents are aware of how potentially I may be a target.
I've learnt loads from working with the young people. I've learnt about how they're really inspired about the world. I've learnt that they are actually highly political, they have their opinions and they want to change the world. I learnt a lot about Leeds, about brown girls going missing. I learnt about disparities, how there's still equality needing to be fought. It's really encouraging to hear young people's opinions and what they want to fight for.
My dream world is that everyone is metaphorically colourblind, where I can walk down the streets with my friends and not get the look. My dream world is that money is not the sacred object, that our trust, friendship and love is more important than a piece of paper.
My dream world is when everyone has freedom and ability to be anyone they want.
Lot is 6504, the historical Armley Mills, situated in Leeds, West Yorkshire. The Grade 2 listed building was once the world's largest woolen mill.
Setting this whole piece in Armley Mills in Leeds has been really interesting to look at history and how we can compare our experiences now to the experiences of people in the past.
I really enjoy history because I did it at GCSE, so really learning about mills and stuff has been really interesting, and just seeing all the different kinds of machines and stuff that they used to actually work on, it's been really like eye-opening.
I've been in this museum like once or twice. It's like different experience. It's not like we are in a building in the center of the city, but like we are In the museum, it's kind of different. Yeah, I see it as more valuable feature of the city.
It's been a really exciting experience to do a site-specific performance. We've completely learned everything about the history of Armley Mills, and it's been really nice to incorporate that in the young people's opinions as well as the historical stories that go on throughout.
Just thought it was really creative. What an amazing setting to do some theatre, all sort of, and just some amazing things to think about, and just a fantastic way to guide people around such a fantastic museum.
If Paper Birds did another project, would you come back?
Definitely.
Definitely.
Yes, I would definitely do it.
Yeah?
No doubt.
Yeah, of course.
Absolutely.
Yeah, 100%.
Definitely, it was really good.
1, 2, 3, and